We're doing a haul. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a collective haul. It's going to be a clothing haul and I've got some stuff from Aerie. This is stuff that I just got today. Actually, a lot of this I just got today. I got this right here. I've got some things from Urban Outfitters and some things from Asos. So we're going to be doing a haul of those things. That is right, you guys. I have collected a few clothing pieces over the past like month or so, so I did want to do a try-on haul for you guys. I'm super excited. I actually was inspired because I went to Aerie and I actually had a pickup order that I went to get, and then I just saw some really cute things in the store that I was just like, I need it. So I got those, and then I realized that I had an Urban Outfitters order that was going to be delivered today, and I had another order from a Instagram, like a small brand, like a small Instagram brand that was also going to be delivered today. So I was like, you know what, we're just gonna haul them all at the same time so I can show you everything. But yeah, I'm super excited and let's get into it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it if you do. Thank you so much. I'm really trying to grow Instagram because I love it to literal bits and I'm very active on it. So if you do follow me, thank you again in advance. But let's get started. I've already rambled so much. Let's just go ahead and do the one-offs, and because I've got the most things from Aerie, and then I've got things from Asos, and then we'll do the two things that I have one-offs of. And this right here is from Urban Outfitters. Starting off, this literally I saw on Ash Levi's Instagram page. She had this on. I think hers was green, but I opted for this beautiful kind of like gray lilac color, and it is this cropped jacket. It is just a cropped jacket and it is so beautiful. It already feels so soft. I haven't even put it on yet. Oh my goodness, don't worry, I'm still gonna do a try on haul and everything, but it's already so nice. I can already tell. And then I actually got something at Aerie specifically to go with this because I knew that it was coming in today. So I'll try that on with this, but I'll show you also whenever I get to the Aerie things. But this is adorable. I'm obsessed with this already. It's so cute. It comes in loads of different colors. So yeah. It hit me in the face. Did you see that? But yeah, this was the first thing that I got from Urban Outfitters. The second thing that I got that was a one-off is this sweater right here. Okay. Oh my god, this is a cropped sweater, and this is from a brand called Olive Lynn. This is a small Instagram brand, and you may have seen her stuff because it has gone really viral. She is the girl that created the crew neck sweatshirts that have like Miami, Hawaii, Oregon, Texas, like they like states or cities or like cute little slogans or whatever, and they're really big on the front. I'll put a picture right here so you can see what I mean, but that's her brand, and I have one of her Miami crew necks. I got it back in the summertime and I love it to pieces. It's one of my favorite things that I have. And I also have a cardigan from her, and I have a actual sweater from her. It's like a ruched sweater. I wear it all the time and it's perfect, but this I wanted to get for the fall time. It just screamed fall to me. This is a cropped sweatshirt. You can wear this with jeans, you can tuck it in. It's super cute, and I do love supporting small businesses. So and listen, a lot of these small businesses you can't really get anywhere else. Like you can't just go to the store and find something like this. It's very tailored to their business. It's really cool and I'm super into it. So I got this and I super love it, and I think it's freaking adorable, and I think that I have the perfect shoes. I don't actually have them yet, but they're coming in the mail. I'll get them tomorrow. They're also from Asos, but I can't wait. Okay, let's do the two things that I got from Asos. This right here, I've already been wearing these, but this right here is a cardigan, and it is just a taupe cardigan. I have one in pink already, just like this, same design. This is from Asos's actual brand. I think it's called Asos Design. So this is from there, and it's just a really, really nice taupe cardigan. If you saw in the Instagram picture that I posted earlier, I'm wearing this, like if you saw in the Instagram picture that I posted in the beginning of the video, this is that same cardigan that I'm wearing then, and it's so nice and cozy and soft, and I love it. Two literal bits. I got this one in a size 4, and for the sweater from Olive Lynn, I got that in a small, and then for the crop jacket from Urban Outfitters, I got that in a small as well. And I love this cardigan. They're so comfortable and they're so soft, so love her. And then you guys, I am literally obsessed with this skirt. I'm not even super into skirts, but I am obsessed with this skirt. Again, I actually did see this on Ash Levi's Instagram page, and I immediately fell in love with it. It is the coolest freaking skirt. It is so cool. It's very like skater. I don't know. I could put so many things with this, and if you just put on some like chunky trainers, I know people in the UK say trainers, but like sneakers, tennis shoes or whatever, or like some Nike Air Forces or something like that, or even just some kind of sneakers, they would look so good. And I love this. This fits so well. I got this in a size, still have the tag on it, a medium. I got this one in a medium, and it fits perfect. It fits so well. If I got it in a small, it would have been way too tight, but this medium is perfect, and it just looks amazing. I love it to bits. And you can also pair this with some like thigh-high boots, like some, not thigh-high boots, but like over-the-knee boots, like some over-the-knee black boots or something like that, and it would be an absolute vibe. It'd be a look. I'm super into it. So yeah, I got this, love her. And lastly, we have these things from Aerie, the stuff that I actually did this video about. First things first, I got this right here. This was actually a pickup order, and I saw this on Noelle Downing's Instagram. I have recently started following her, and I love her style, and I love everything like autumn and everything. And again, I have the perfect shoes for these that are gonna be coming tomorrow, and I'm so excited. But this is a sweater. I got it in a, did I get it in a small or an extra? I got it in a small. I could have maybe even done an extra small, but this is the cutest thing. I feel like this looks so fall, but you can also wear this into Christmas. I will be still wearing this when it hits December and it's not fall anymore. It's like actually winter. I will still be wearing this because it looks like both. So this is adorable. It's a white sweater, and it's longer in the back. If you can see that here, it's longer in the back, just a little bit, so where you can tuck in the front and still have the back cover your booty. But I saw this on her Instagram and I thought it was adorable, and she just had it with a pair of jeans on. You could put this with jeans, you could put this with a skirt, you could put this inside of overalls. It would be a little thick, but you still could do it. But this is super adorable, and I cannot wait to get the shoes. I'm gonna show you the shoes. The shoes are from Asos. Here's what they look like. They're tan boots. Like, oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with these, and I cannot wait to get them tomorrow. They're gonna go so well with this and so well with that sweater right here from Olive Lynn. It's gonna be perfect. So this is adorable. I think it just looks great with really anything, and I'm super into it, and it's gonna keep me very warm because this is thick, y'all. And then we got one more bag here, and this was actually the bralette that I got on purpose to go with that cropped jacket that I got from Urban Outfitters, because they're around the same shade. I think that jacket is actually a little more gray toned. I thought that it was actually going to be a little more like this, but this is still fine. I'll wear this with anything because this is really comfortable. This is a bralette from Aerie, and it's adorable. I got mine in a medium, and I'm really in love with it. It's very comfortable. It is extremely nice, and they have all different kinds of colors, but I loved this like dusty blue kind of muted color. It still is fall, but it's not like orange or like berry or anything, but it still does look really nice, and again, very soft, very comfortable. It does have a little bit of push up in here, so if you don't like that, it doesn't it doesn't have underwire, but it does have a bit of padding, so if you don't like that, then you won't like this. But I don't mind it. I do like a little bit of padding here and there, especially if I'm just wearing the bralette by itself, because that's what I would normally do with something like this. I would wear this as the top, and I wouldn't usually wear anything over it unless it was like a sweater or like a hoodie or something like that. Like I would wear a shirt over this, you know, but this right here with that jacket or with like a cardigan would be adorable, and like with some sweatpants or even jeans, it would be so cute. So I got this, and this was actually, the bralettes right now were on 40% off, so if they're still having that sale, I recommend it. And then last but certainly not least, I got the, oh my god, I wasn't sure about this when I tried it on, but then I tucked it in. I didn't tuck it into my pants, but I tucked it into that bralette. I wore that bralette, and then I put this over top, and I tucked this and made it like cropped. I was obsessed with it after that. This right here is a velour sweater and it's brown and it has the sleeves rolled up. It doesn't look like much right now, but I swear, whenever it's tucked in to my bralette, and like if I wear it with jeans or like my mom jeans that I have, it looks adorable tucked in, like cropped. And I'm obsessed with it. It's so soft, and I love it to literal pieces. So here's this, and again, it's just really nice and comfortable. This would be perfect. They had a bunch of colors in this as well. They had like a dusty orange color, they had this brown, they had a blue, they had loads. So if you don't like this brown, then don't worry, there's loads more. But yeah, this one's super cute, and I'm really glad that I have it. You guys, that has been my clothing haul, try-on haul rather, and I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you have been doing a little bit of autumn shopping, what are the things that you have been getting? Because I know shopping right now is not really something that is like super duper important. Like I know that there are far more things that are more important than shopping for clothes. I know a lot of people are still going through a lot with the current situation the world is in, if you know what I mean. So if you aren't interested in buying clothes right now, I totally understand. But if you are buying clothes, and if you are getting yourself some nice fall items, what are you getting? What's on your wish list? What have you already got? Let me know in the comments. What are some stores that you've been looking at and shopping at? Because I love trying new things. But yeah, you guys, it's going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!